Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to replace a Jeep Liberty taillight. First, gather your tools, a Phillips head screwdriver and the correct replacement bulb. Safety is key, so make sure your vehicle is completely off and the parking brake is set. This prevents any accidental electrical issues or movement while you work. Now, open your Jeep Liberty's rear hatch. You'll see two retaining screws holding the tail light assembly in place. Carefully use your Phillips head screwdriver to remove these. Once the screws are out, gently pull the entire tail light assembly straight back from the vehicle. It might be a little snug, but it will come free. With the assembly removed, identify the bulb socket for the light you're replacing. Twist this socket counterclockwise to unlock it from the housing. Carefully pull out the old bulb. It might be a bit warm if it was recently on. Insert your new bulb firmly into the socket, ensuring it's seated correctly. Now, reinsert the bulb socket into the tail light housing and twist it clockwise until it locks securely. Carefully align the entire tail light assembly back into its position on the vehicle. Reinstall the two retaining screws you removed earlier, tightening them snugly. Finally, turn on your Jeep Liberty and test the new tail light to ensure it's working perfectly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.